Hello guys and welcome to my channel. To me, I'm from Ukraine and I'm building the first house that you will see. Let's see. So in this case, if you're trying to build a really big house, that you need a really big space. And it's actually very hard to find space for the house. And I actually built one, but it's currently like really as big as I wanted to. So I'll show you on this video. We will make from oak planks. That is the first part. We have to like build the floor first. And that's it. And then we have to like might get to the second like part, maybe tomorrow or Saturday. I actually don't remember. Maybe tomorrow or like when you need to. And I'll leave comment below too if you need me. Ask me anytime if you want to like let me know about like what is happening in Ukraine and Russia right now. And and that's it. So we'll be doing our first house in. So we need to. The area of the house that we need to build. So that's the area for the house that we need. Nope. Sometimes I get confused how to build a house by myself, but when you are struggling, just try it. We will be alone, but you might have to watch the video. How to like do the house and at home or PS4 or Xbox One S or Xbox X Series. So this is will be the frame of the house. And these are the two doors that we need to. We will be doing the second row of blocks. And yeah, that's it. We might have to do a small like house or I actually don't know what house will be. So we're doing the third pile of oak flanks. And you will hear the sound of the blocks, but just ignore it, that's it. And if you need to, you actually can comment me below if you have any questions, like where are you from, where you came from, like that, of those questions. But I'm actually from Ukraine, but if you say that I'm Russian, I'll just will ignore your guys, okay? If you are some one, like I have one friend that is very nice to me. Yeah, and he actually gives me Xbox One S, maybe sooner or I don't know yet, but that will be the next um, video after I'll do this. Um, yeah. If you have any questions about how to build a house, I'll send a link to from YouTube to my comment, okay? And if you're from like Russia, just ignore me or don't follow on me on YouTube. So that's the frame of the house now. We're doing mm, the roof now. So yeah, and that's it. If you have any questions like to build a big house, I'll send a link to my comment below. And I actually have one of my two truck drivers that they are. One is from Ukraine. He lives in Florida, and my dad is like the same. But he doesn't live in Florida. He lives in Ohio, down Cincinnati. But he is in work right now. So this is the frame of the house and inside. So it's spooky right there. And we need have doors. Doors like one right here and the second one right here. And we actually need window. So I use this glass, but if you have any like trouble with putting house on to build, just let me know. I can do everything for you, and that's it. Bye. Да.